10. All right, this is a set with the sideways cross, handmade in New York City's Diamond District. So you can order this piece in white, yellow, or rose gold. Modify the length of the chain if needed. Shop with confidence. In the business for 15 years. These are VS quality diamonds. They're going to come with an appraisal and a warranty. We stand behind our merchandise. We have personal jewelers standing by to give you a call. Provide concierge level service. Call them now, 212-391-3832. It's a highly recommended piece, a perfect holiday gift idea. One of our best sellers. Simply cannot go wrong for this price. Big stones, a lot of brilliance and sparkle to these diamonds. Flexible return policy, largest selection of jewelry online. Why shop anywhere else? TraxNYC.com. Add this piece to your collection today.